Russell Brunson is about to launch his brand new platform, OfferLab, on September 3rd. Along with the launch comes a massive affiliate program and JV opportunity that could be one of the biggest this year. In this video, I will break down exactly how the OfferLab affiliate program works, how you can earn commissions, and why joining now before launch gives you a serious advantage. And all of that without unnecessary hype, so you really understand if this platform is for you and if you want to promote it. You will find a link to register as an affiliate or JV partner for OfferLab in the description of this video, and it will bring you to a page like this. As the OfferLab launch is unfolding, this page may look differently, but it still will allow you to sign up and become a part of the OfferLab launch and promote it. So before we continue, pause the video and go register to promote OfferLab. Now, what is OfferLab? OfferLab is a platform designed to connect creators and affiliates in one place, making it easy to collaborate, build bundle funnels, find affiliates to promote your offers, and find different products to promote as an affiliate. But one of the biggest opportunities right now is to promote OfferLab itself and invite creators, product owners, and affiliates to join the platform. Currently, we're still in pre-launch, which means if you jump in and start promoting OfferLab, you get a massive advantage, especially considering the generous affiliate program. So here is how the OfferLab affiliate program works. Once you register to be an OfferLab affiliate, you will get your own affiliate link. Whenever you refer someone to OfferLab, whether it's a creator who adds offers to the platform or an affiliate who promotes the offers, you earn from 0.5 to 2% of their processing volume, plus 100% commissions on the OfferLab upsells. So if you bring someone who adds a $100 offer to the OfferLab platform, whenever somebody buys this offer, you earn, if we calculate with 0.5%, 50 cents. Without doing a single thing. Now, 50 cents may not sound like a lot, but that's just from one sale. Now imagine how much you can earn if that offer starts bringing in 100 sales, 1,000 sales, 10,000 sales every single day. Now let's say an affiliate you bring in is making $5,000 per day. With 5% commissions, it could put $25 in your pocket each day. Or you refer a creator with a big audience who is selling for $1 million a year. And if we now calculate with 2% commissions, it means that you will earn $20,000 in a year from that one creator without any effort from your side. I hope you realize how huge it is and why OfferLab's affiliate program is such a great opportunity and why you need to join today. Now let's talk about the commission structure. You can watch a video from Russell to learn all the details, but here's a breakdown. Once you earn your first $1,000 on the OfferLab platform, you unlock 0.5 commissions on every sales from users you bring to the platform. As you earn more, the percentage you earn in commissions also increases. At the super affiliate level, which normally requires earning $100,000 in commissions, you unlock up to 2% lifetime commissions. And here is the key OfferLab launch bonus. During the pre-launch, OfferLab is offering the certification program as a $497 upsell. As an affiliate, you earn 100% commission on that upsell, meaning you keep the full $497 when someone takes it. But the most important thing that this offer does, it bumps up your commission from 0.5% to up to 2%. Which means if somebody, you included, takes this offer, it will get you to super affiliate status, skipping over 0.5% commissions and earning up to 2% of every sale from offer owners and affiliates. So once you get verified, you earn 0.5% in commissions, and once you earn $100,000, you will earn 2% in commissions from affiliates or offer creators. And if you want a shortcut, you want to skip the 0.5% commissions and earn 2% instantly, you can use the OfferLab certification program to skip the line and start earning up to 2% commissions. This is why the OfferLab JV launch is such a huge opportunity. You can earn upfront with direct one-time commissions, and you can also build a long-term passive income stream from processing volume. It's the same type of model that fueled ClickFunnels' success, but now affiliates get a share in it. So if you want to get in early, click the link in the description watch Russell's video on the JV page, and register to become an affiliate. The official launch is on September 3rd, and the window to position yourself as a super affiliate is now. This is one of those launches you definitely don't want to miss. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to help you out.